You ever catch that look from your mom across the room?
Yeah, you know what's coming. Sasa ain't just a thing, it's a lesson. Back in the day, I was wildin' for real, breaking rules, running my mouth, thinking I'm sly. Didn't matter if it was big or small. Mama's hand came flying like a wrecking ball. Caught a Sasa in the church, yelling during prayer. One in the store, yup, aisle 3, I swear. At school, in the nurse room, catching a slap. I must have been a magnet. Sasa found my lap. Why you running? Sasa. Why you crying? Sasa. Why you hiding in the closet? Sasa. Ooh, so just face it, the Sasa chose ya. Sasa in the morning, Sasa at night. For talking back or not acting right. Whole body been Sasa, head to my feet. But they said it's love, yeah, the Sasa runs deep. Sasa in the Ulu, Sasa in the rear.